Okay, we're going to dive into the red royal icing or glaze, how to make that. And a lot of people have trouble with it getting deep enough red or bright enough red. And this will show you how to do that. And I would love to have you become a WeCookier member for free. Just join the periodical, follow the link below over to my site, and it's just an easy, quick sign up, and you'll keep apprised of everything that's going on in the cookie world. Okay, so I have about 3/4 of a cup of royal icing, and you can do this with glaze, either one, it doesn't matter. To achieve a good red, you want to use, I use deep pink, and you just get it doesn't matter how much pink you get into it, the deeper the pink, then the darker the red. Okay, my bottle's almost in. Oops. That's kind of thick, but I don't know, maybe about 10, I'm about out. 10 drops of deep pink is what I'm going to shoot for now. And we just want to stir that up. You usually want to add your gel color and get that stirred up, folded in before you add water. But sometimes I don't do that because my royal icing is so stiff. I didn't add probably quite enough in the mixer. So I'm going to go ahead and just add a little bit more to make it easier. Just a little though, because you don't want to overdo it according to the consistency that you need. And I always tell people, do the fold technique. Don't stir it. That just adds more bubbles into it. And the more pink, like I said, you add, the deeper it is. And that'll get you a deeper red. I'm going to add more pink. A little bit more about out. There we go. Maybe that'll work. Get that stirred in there nicely. And again, it will develop the longer you let it set, preferably 8 hours to overnight. Sometimes we just don't have that much time to wait, but we really should do that because you don't want to oversaturate it, right? Okay. Get the bottom scraped. Have you ever done paint your own cookies? I have a video out on the 10 comparison ways, like M&Ms and Skittles, you know, that kind of thing. And I did a nice exhaustive video on that. Let's go ahead and add super red while I'm talking. And with this, we're going to do 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do 10 drops and see where that gets us. I did a comparison on the Paint Your Own palettes, how to make those, and with a bonus couple of ideas I came up with. And I have a website page as well as a video on that I will link below for you. It's just nice to see side by side what, you know, how they each turn out. So as you can see, that's developing nicely already. And it will darken a little bit more. And that's nice. I think I want to add just a couple more drops of red to it. So you want to get a good base one of pink. And then add your red after that's done. Yeah, I think just 2. If you put too much coloring in these deep colors, it could lead to color bleed, so you want to be really cautious about that. Not to mention all the staining of the mouths. Okay. And I think we'll just leave that be, let it set overnight, and it'll be perfect. Add more water as you see fit, for whether you're outlining or flooding or whatnot. So that's a good consistency. Okay. Alrighty. And that's how you make the red. Okay, so like I said, I will link the Paint Your Own Palette comparison video to this video here right next. So we will see you next time. As always, God bless, and you have a good day. Bye-bye.